So this is fun to think about. I've done a video about having a copper kettle. If you have a copper kettle, and literally it can just be any pot made of copper, but I think that Aladdin's lamp could have come from a copper or brass kettle. So these copper kettles, I've got one, and what we do is we put all our crystals in there. We've got at least one crystal for every colour of each chakra in there. So basically we put it in, and copper is made of the energy of Venus. It channels the Venus energy, and so Venus is a divine feminine and she expands. And so when you put your crystals in this copper pot, and I don't mean with water, I literally just mean put them in the copper pot, then what happens is the copper expands the energy in the crystals and you get a higher charge. And so what's really nice is going to different stone circles and putting the pot on the stones with all your copper in, and basically the ley lines and the energy in the stone circles or in the megaliths you go to charge up the copper pot, they charge up the crystals in the pot, and then the copper amplifies it as well. So it like really amplifies the energy you get, and like the upgrades and the downloads, because it cleanses you on a really deep level that a lot of things can't quite get there. So Aladdin's lamp, it could have been like a teapot, because look at this, this is a teapot, yeah. So what we do, you hold on to the teapot, you cast your spells while you've got your hands on the teapot. So this is similar to like the genie rubbing the lamp and the genie comes out. Well, you cast your spell and your spell comes out your palm chakras, out your hand, out your mouth, and into the pot, and it charges the crystals. It goes into the crystals, and the crystals and the copper pot charge and expand your spell. And then the energy of the spell goes out of the spout and out into the cosmos, and then it fulfills your will. And so this is like the genie coming out of the lamp and fulfilling wishes. It's like you cast your spell and your spell gets charged up in there, and it goes out the spout into the cosmos. Now, something really cool about Aladdin, and this is kind of like the story of Aladdin, but also the new version, the Disney movie that's been out recently. But the word Aladdin is all add in. So it's like you add it all in, like to your spell, it's like all add in. And then the word Jasmine, who's the divine feminine in the story, Jasmine is yes mine, or yes mine. So that is, again, it's like yes mine, all add it in, all add into the spell, and then it's like yes mine, like this spell and this what I'm trying to manifest will come true into fruition, and it's going to be mine. And check this, who is the actor in the new Aladdin for the genie? Will Smith. Okay, so you can get like a wordsmith, you can get a swordsmith, you can get a leathersmith, and these are people who, the smith kind of means like an expert at doing that. So if this Will Smith is an expert of the will, or it's like a worker of the will, of your will, then what it is doing is it's literally again telling you how the spell is going out with all the energy, and it's going to be a smith of your will. It's going to work for your will and what you desire and help it to come true and manifest.